A very good day to my supervisor, Dr. Norizi, both my panels, Sazaki and Dr. Mohaini. Today, I am going to present my project, which is IoT-based plant growth monitoring system. So this is the IoT device I have built for my IoT-based plant growth monitoring system. I have used the microcontroller ESP8266 and some sensors, which are capacitive soil moisture sensor, which detects soil moisture level, DHT11 sensor, which detects air humidity and air temperature, light sensor to detect light, and raindrop sensor to detect rain. So now let's look into the system which I have developed. The system have been named as Grow with Anna because the domain name which I am using is growwithanna.site. This is the homepage of the system. Users can click this Launch Monitoring System button to straight direct to the login page. This is the About page. This is the Contact page. Okay, over here, the user can enter their name, email address, and their message, and click the Send Message button for the message to be sent to the admin. Next, this is the login page. The user can enter their email and password and click this login button to log in into their dashboard. If they don't have an account yet, they can click this register as nursery staff. Over here, the staff can insert their full name, email address, phone number, password, and rewrite their password to confirm, and click this register button to register. Once they have registered, they can enter their email address and password and click this login button to direct to their dashboard. If the users have forgotten their password, they can click this forgot password. So in this forgot password page, the user have to enter their email address and click this send reset link. So the link will be sent to their email address for them to reset their password. So now let's begin with admin. So this is the admin dashboard. Admin can view total users, total plants, total sensors, and other pages quick links. So now let's begin with plant management page. In this page, the admin can view plant name, species, color, soil type, notes, and date edit. The admin can add, edit, and delete. So this is the add new plant page. Admin can enter plant name, species, color, soil type, and node. And once the admin have entered the details, admin can click this save plant button, or else they can click this back button. If the admin want to edit, they have to click this edit button. So they can choose that the details they want to update, and then they can click this update plan button. If not, they can click cancel. If the admin wants to delete the detail, they can simply click this delete button. So there will be a notification shown as delete this plan. If they click OK, it will be deleted. So next, let's look in this sensor management page. In this page, the admin can view sensor names, type, location, status, and last updated. In this page, the admin can click Add Sensor button, Edit button, and Delete button. So this is the Add New Sensor page. The admin can enter sensor name, sensor type, location, and status. Once the admin have entered everything, the admin can click Save Sensor, or else they can click Back. If the admin wants to edit, they can click this Edit button and change the details here and click this Update Sensor button, or else they can click Cancel. If the admin wants to delete, they can click this Delete button. So there will be a notification as Delete this sensor. If they click OK, it will be deleted, or else they can click Cancel. So for next, let's look in this sensor values. In the sensor data monitoring page, the admin can view timestamp, moisture, humidity, temperature, raindrop, and light. This data will be synced each 30 minutes. So the latest sync data is at 2 p.m. So there are red colors and green colors. These are the thresholds limits which have been set by the system. If the limits have been passed through above or below, it will be a warning as it is shown in the red color. For the raindrop, if the water have been detected or it is either raining, it will shown as detected, or else it is none. For light, if the light have been detected, it will show light, or else it will show dark. So for next, this is the admin notification page. Here the admin can manage notifications. Admin can view title, message, target, and created ad. Here admin can click create notification button and delete button. If the admin wants to create notification, admin have to click this title. If the admin wants to create notification, admin have to enter title, message, and click send to, which is the staff only. And then they can click this send notification button, or else they can click cancel. If the admin wants to delete the message, they can click this delete button. So there will be a notification, delete this notification. If they click OK, it will be deleted, or else they can click cancel. So now let's look in this report page. Over here, admin can select date from until the date to. So for example, from June 1 until today, and admin can click this apply filter button. So once the admin have clicked this apply filter button, the daily average summary statistics will be updated here. And below here, it will show the sensor data trends for the admin. If the admin want to download, they can simply click this download chart as PDF button. If the admin wants to download this PDF page, they can click this export to PDF button. If the admin wants to download as CSV, they can simply click this export to CSV button. So next, this is the manage my account page for admin. So we can see that there is a full name, email address, and phone number. If the admin wants to change their details, they have to enter and click Save Changes. If the admin wants to change password, they have to click this Change Password button. Over here, the admin can enter their current password, new password, and confirm new password and click this Update Password button, or else they can click back. So for next, let's look into this disease detection. In this plant disease detector page, the admin can click Detect Disease. So here the admin have to choose File. So they can leave the file here. So for example, this picture. Over here, this model can classify either the plant is healthy or unhealthy with 3 disease classifications. So this plant is an unhealthy plant with brown leaf problem. So once the admin have known the plant have brown leaf problem, they can click this Select Disease and choose brown leaf. So there will be a recommended treatment for brown leaf, which is check for water stress or sunburn, trim dead leaves and ensure proper watering schedule. So that's all for the admin. So let's log out and look into nursery staff dashboard. So this is the nursery staff dashboard. Here the staff can click this for the quick links. So first let's look in these plants. So this is the plant management page. The nursery staff can add plant, edit plant and delete plant. Next, this is the sensor management page for the nursery staff. Here the nursery staff can view sensor name, type, location, status and last update. Over here, the nursery staff cannot add, edit or delete. They can only view these details. So next, this is the sensor data monitoring page. So there are timestamp, moisture, humidity, temperature, raindrop and light. So the latest sync data is at 2 p.m. So for next, this is the staff notification page. So each staff, they will have my notification page. So once they have read this message or notification, they can click this mark read button. So the status will be turned into read. So next, this is the staff manage my account page. Over here, the staff can see full name, email and phone number. If they want to change, they can change and click the Save Changes button. If the staff want to change their password, they can click this Change Password button. They can enter the current password, new password and confirm password and click this Update Password button, or else they can click back. And for plant disease detection, the staff can also click this Detect Disease button. They can choose File. And they can know the classify problems. For this plant, it is unhealthy and have brown leaf problem. So this is the recommended treatment for brown leaf. So that's all for the staff. Thank you.